Yo, so what is going on, ladies and gentlemen of the internet? My name is Mac, and today we have got Drivecrate September edition. I'm not 100% sure, I can't remember the country of origin this time, but it does feel like a very heavy box. So let's get into this, let's get going and get straight into it. No real introduction, apart from I'm back on Twitch. I'm streaming a lot more now, so if you do have time to follow and want to watch me live, I usually play Path of Exile. Tonight actually I might be doing some Pokemon card unboxings, so yeah, if you want to go check it out, go check it out in the linky in the description. So without further ado, let's get going. So it is Japan and Qatar, so we've got a 2-in-1. I'm not going to see what's underneath it, but it's good that I know the country. So first off, we've got some I'm going to pronounce this completely wrong, but strawberry filled candies. They are harder ones, so I mean my teeth aren't amazing, so I'm not going to try and even attempt to have these on camera. But we have a strawberry filled candy. It is a hard candy, so again I can't really test it on screen or on camera because, well, my teeth are shocked. Gotta love years of steroids. We have a McLaren F1 sorry about that, my McLaren F1 photo, which I've got to now try and get out. I hate these, like what are they called, like poster canisters, I'd imagine is what we'd call them. Ugh, managed to get it off. So we've got a print. I love these prints anyway, all the time. So we've got a Lando Norris, Oscar Piastri, number 60. I believe that was the one that that's one of the limited edition liveries that they were running. I can't remember which race they ran that in. It may have been, I don't think it is for this weekend, which is Japanese weekend. Had an amazing race last weekend at, where did we have it last weekend? I can't remember. My memory's shocking, folks. I'm going to be honest with you. But it was a very nice Singapore, I believe, was what it was. I think. But a very good race. Nice to see the Ferrari get in at number 1. I'm happy about that. Some amazing driving. Very good tactic by Norris to keep Lando in DRS range, as well as keeping it so that he could be in. You know, in contention for the win. We've also got a circuit size magnet. I love these. So what have we got today? I'd imagine it might be a Suzuka one. If I can get it out. Yep, a Suzuka fridge magnet. I really like the clean look of that. The Japanese flag colours. Really clean looking design. I like these like clean looking basic designs, I really do. Like, I found that as I work in some of the design like business, I do it like on the side. I truly love the basic bright vibrant colors and very basic like look of a design. Basic can go very far when you're looking at design. You don't need to always be crowded up with loads of stuff. A wall-mounted key holder, a podium wall-mounted key holder. I need one of these. And I tell you what a good idea, because I am forever losing my keys. I'm forever losing them. Always losing my keys. So we've got a, oh, and it's just attached via like a double-sided sticky tape type situation. So let's just have a quick look inside here. It's got includes self adhesive mounting strip, so I'm going to try and get it out of its box. Very nice. It's a plastic, I believe it's what it's made of. Oh yeah, it's got, no, it's metal. Nice. We've got the 1, 2, 3. Very bad scraping on the side there. Very bad. I don't know whether I can clean that with some baby wipes or something, or I could get it resprayed, to be honest with you. I've got family that work with metal, so I could probably get it resprayed, to be quite honest with you. Quite cheaply done. That's very nice though. I'm not saying quite cheaply done as in the product's quite cheaply done. I'm saying I can get the painting quite done cheaply. But a very nice little key holder. I quite like that actually. I like these gifts where they're out of the ordinary. You don't expect it. Like usually you expect like a cap or whatnot in these boxes, or a flag or something like that. But when you have something that's a bit out of the ordinary, a bit like, you know, you don't see it every time, it's always a welcome bonus. We have also got, oh wow, I can actually tell you how much this is worth. £19. £19, look right there. 19 quid. So we've got a Aston Martin notebook. Wow, it feels really premium. Very premium stuff. Hardback. Oh wow. See, I like stuff like this as well. Stuff like this is just, I love it. I love it. Like, I love having these random tidbits of F1 stuff. Like, it'll go straight into a collection, like my collection box of F1 stuff, but I absolutely love it. But that is the end of this month, so we'll go do the rundown. So we've got the Aston Martin notebook, we've got the podium key holder, wall mounted, we have the strawberry sweets, the hard boiled sweets, we have the Suzuka sign, and that is what we've got. Oh, and also the